Okay, what I need you to do now is turn to the center section to find chapter 5 for triangles. And there's a couple different things we have to do with triangles. We spent a lot of time with triangles, but chapter 5 was when we really just learned about them at first. And the first thing is when you classify triangles, there's two ways to classify. You have to classify by sides, and you have to classify by angles. And so when you do this, you have to have one of each. You can't just have one name. All triangles actually have two names. So when you classify by sides, the first one is scalene, which is no equal sides. And then you have isosceles, and isosceles is like your eyes. You have two equal sides. And then we have equilateral, which is what it sounds like, three equal sides. And then to classify by angles, you have acute. So I don't know why I underlined that. I didn't underline the rest. Acute, which is three small angles. A right triangle, which has one right angle, and then an obtuse triangle, which has one obtuse angle. So when you look at a triangle, you have to look and see what are the sides and what are the angles, and that will help you create a name. Remember when we have triangles, we did a lot of triangles. A big thing is triangles add up to 180. We've done that so much. We're not going to put an example here, but you have to remember it. And then we also proved triangles congruent, and we proved them congruent through everything but angle side side. Remember that you're too young for angle side side. So there's side side side, where you have three sets of congruent sides. There's side angle side, where the sides squish that angle squished in between. There's angle side angle, angle side angle, so this time the side is squished. And then there's angle side, where the side is on the outside of the angles. Okay, so you can prove triangles congruent those four ways. Remember when you have combined triangles or connected triangles, remember you need to look for a shared side, and you need to look for vertical angles. If you see those things, a shared side tells you that you have a side. Vertical angles are equal, so that tells you that you have an angle that's given. Okay? So remember, triangles add up to 180. You have to classify them by two ways, and then there's also the congruent triangles, which are side, 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 angle, and angle, angle, side.